Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good burritos. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a large, fresh tortilla, ideally about 10 inches in diameter to ensure easy wrapping. Next, decide on your protein, whether it's seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or flavorful black beans. Finally, prepare your fillings like fluffy rice, zesty salsa, and shredded cheese. Now, let's assemble your masterpiece. Gently warm your tortilla for about 15 seconds in a pan or microwave. This makes it much easier to fold without tearing. Lay it flat and begin layering your chosen ingredients down the center, leaving approximately 1½ inches clear around the edges. Remember, less is often more to achieve that perfect, secure wrap. The wrapping technique is key to a great burrito. Start by folding in the two opposite sides of the tortilla, bringing them about 1/3 of the way towards the center. Next, fold the bottom edge up and over your filling, pulling it back slightly to create a tight cylinder. Then, simply roll the burrito forward, tucking in any stray ingredients as you go. To elevate your burrito, consider grilling or pan-frying it for a few minutes on each side until golden brown and slightly crispy. This adds a fantastic texture and helps seal everything inside. Serve your delicious creation immediately with your favorite salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly wrapped burrito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.